everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today I have a good news for you. Guess what we have here? The brand new Apple Watch. The Apple Watch Ultra that we have all been waiting for. I have it in the studio and I will definitely be doing the unboxing for you guys today. So and also I'll be doing the full review of this brand new device. So if you have not yet subscribed, please go and do so. It only takes one click. And if you have already subscribed, I really appreciate the support. So basically the box is here. All we are looking for is to get cracking. But first thing that we can see from the box is very different from the last year's boxes, and actually from any other iWatch boxes, because generally the box is tall, a little bit longer, but this time we have kind of a rectangular shape. I wonder what is inside. But eventually, before we can do that, I would like to give you a tour of the box. We're going to go around the box and see how things are. So as you can see in front of the box, what we see is directly a white surface with the Apple Watch cutout. It's not printed, it's actually cut out. So this is very, very fancy. At the bottom, I mean, basically you can see there's absolutely nothing on this side. There's absolutely nothing on this side as well. There's nothing. And at the back, we have the Apple Watch design here. And as you can see, I have the yellow bands. So we are definitely going to now open the box and see what is hiding behind this box. Okay, so I'm now going to open it for the first time. So as you can see, it looks like we have some kind of a design to open the bag. So I'm going to see how we can actually open it. So we're going to lift it up. Oh, that is amazing. I'm going to open that up, and then there we go. So I'm going to open it for the first time. Whoa. So as you can see, there is amazing here. We have some kind of it looks like a booklet. As you can see here, a little book. We have some information in the book, some design. Oh my, this is actually, you know what, let's wait. Okay, so first thing that we checked on the box was this little booklet. I'm definitely gonna go back into this. And then as you can see inside of the box, we also have another kind of box with a little design of the Apple Watch itself. And again, is printed, but we can feel it. It's like a 3D printing. So this is amazing. And again, we do have the Apple Watch itself here. I'm going to also put that on the side. And then inside, this is the band that I got. Unfortunately, I wanted to try so many other bands, but I do not have it. It was all sold out, so I only got this yellow one that comes with it. Okay, but later on, definitely I will be trying new bands with you guys. Okay, and then this is basically everything that is in the box, or should I say the cover. So I'm gonna put this on the side, and then those are the three items that we have. So first we are gonna start with the little booklet. Again, you have the Apple Watch, and again it looks like it's engraved, it's not just printed. And then that being said, there we go. Inside of it we do have a little kind of I don't know, I cannot take this out, but it looks like a book. As you can see, we have some design here. So I guess this book, or this small booklet, is talking about the band. So we have the Alpine, we have the Ocean, and we have the Trail. So those are the different type of bands that they have. And here we have a little bit of explanation on how to put this on, and how to buckle, and what the buttons are. We have other stuff there, how to charge it. So this is kind of different from what we used to get. It's more details, more labeled. Obviously, for the amount of money that we purchase this from, is normal that they can include something different, some color from it. So as you can see, the color is very, very vivid, very brilliant, and very amazing to look at. And then I only have one desire, is just to crack the box open and to see what we have inside of the box. Okay, so this is basically your quick start guide that comes with the Apple Watch. And then from there, as you can see, we have the band. This is the yellow one. is actually sealed. I'm gonna open it for the first time. Perfect, the seal is opened, and inside of the box, as you can see, again we do have a couple of details about how to buckle up if you don't know how to do that. And then we have a kind of a small pocket that comes out from it, and as you can see, this is just beautiful. I mean, the packaging this year is so beautiful, impressive. Again, this is the yellow one. I don't know what they call it. I don't have it here in the booklet, but anyway, I don't know what they call this color. Oh yeah, this is called the ocean too, I guess so. Anyway, don't worry about it. So yeah, there we go. This is the band. So we are gonna put it on the side, and then definitely check it out. Okay, and then now the moment we all been waiting for, the Apple Watch Ultra. The package, I mean, the packaging itself is kind of small now, but still has a different shape, a rectangular shape. So I'm now going to open it. Now, the moment that we have been all waiting for, we're going to unbox the actual watch. Okay, so let's do it. As you can see, it's sealed. We have both sealed here. I'm going to open it for the first time. So there you go. Satisfying moment. Perfect. And the second one, there you go. Now we are gonna lift it up. Ta-da! This is, I mean, the packaging is just so phenomenal. It is very beautiful and very elegant. So as you can see, we have designed by Apple in California, and we have some coordinate. So I guess this might be the Apple quarter where this watch was assembled or designed. So again, inside of the box, we can directly see we have a new packaging here, which I'm opening right now, and it looks like it's the charger. It is very beautiful, and very beautiful indeed. We have the charger, and then it looks like it's gonna be a Type-C connector charger. The length of the cable, I don't know yet. I'm gonna check it out later, but this is what we have here. All right, as you can see, there it is, the almighty Ultra Apple Watch. Let's lift it up for the first time. Oof, it is heavy. It's very heavy. I mean, I wish you can feel it, but it is absolutely heavy. But either way, as you can see here, we have the new digital crown, which is very big. It's very big indeed. We have the button here, little microphone there. This is so satisfying. And this watch will never be as clean as it is today. Actually, I'm actually ripping it off. There you go. And as you can see, there it is, the beauty of the brand new Apple Watch. I mean, like, you need to hold it to feel it because it's simply amazing. And at the back of it, we do have the new sensor that can track so many things. And as I was saying before, we do have the digital crown. That's the brand new crown we have. Is very bigger and larger. And we do have the button here, as you can see. And another one here, we have the new button that we have that the Apple introduced recently. And we have speakers and microphones. So we have a couple of new ports here. And this is simply amazing. All right, so pretty much we have the brand new screen. Is bigger, and overall it is heavy though. I don't know if when I put it on my wrist how it's gonna be, but it's very heavy. It's very heavy. I'm gonna try to turn it on for the first time. There you go. Actually, it's upside down, so the buttons are here. Interesting. Anyway, there we go. Is turning on for the first time. Now, just only from the look of it, I already love it. Now, that being said, for the amount of money I spent to buy this, will I keep it? I don't know. I have to really use it and see whether I like it, whether I'm actually using it, whether it's a gimmick, or if I really need it. From there, I'll make a decision to whether I want to keep it or not. Because, I mean, this is more than a typical regular Apple Watch. Regular Apple Watch give you time, you can see your messages, few stuff, but this one is very top notch. So if you are a really good athlete, you can have this, because I believe this Apple Watch can do so many things. You can climb mountain, you can dive with it, you can, I mean, you name it. All right, thank you so much for watching today's episode. That was just a quick unboxing of the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see, we have everything set up for you. Everything was unboxed. Again, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be doing a full review and I'll put this watch into the test. So stay tuned, hit the bell notification icon so you are aware when that video comes out. This is Maxi Limit signing out. Ciao.